What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you saw the last one, we picked up our rear trailing arm DIY kit from S1Built. Now, I know that I love doing the DIY and everything for my channel. I love having you guys see the whole process. Since S1 has already made on their YouTube channel a step-by-step process, I'm not going to be doing as in-depth of a video. I'm just kind of going to do, I think, a quick time lapse, just so I don't have to worry about explaining too much, and I can focus on my practicing on welding, obviously, as well as making sure that I do everything correctly. So without further ado, I'm just gonna set the camera on time lapse as soon as I get to SRP, and I'll start welding up. Picked up some gas at Air Gas. I'm pretty sure it's called argon. You know, I'm new to the whole welding shenanigans, but I think it's called argon. As you can see, I just got done. I'm super dirty right now. Got a rag. I'm just gonna wipe my face off. But yeah, it's been a pretty fun day. Was able to work on the trailing arms. They're pretty much all done. I just have to pretty much put the bearings in and the hub and everything, and we'll have all-wheel drive trailing arms. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Gonna head back to SRP right now, drop off the tank, and after that I'm just gonna go home, have some dinner, relax. It isn't too bad. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not Ricky perfect, but it'll do. Kind of had a little rough over here, but I welded it all around. The support bracket over here, welded it as well, but that's all extra basically. The main support goes around this part right here, and I bolted the hub and everything, the assembly for it, and like they say in the video, welded around here as well in a few spots. Gusseting is all welded up. It's not 100% welded. They said in the video just do every couple inches, do like a bead of an inch. So that's what I did. Like right here I have some, right there, right there, right there, right there, so on and so forth. That way it gives it support without having to weld too much. I mean, this is solid, it's not going anywhere. And a nice straight shot in the back for the axle. And these should be ready to go. I have the bearings right here. Then after that, all I have to do for the rear of the car is mount the differential using the bracket that I ordered, and mount the lower control arm as well. These are super dirty. To be honest, I just ended up cleaning exactly where I needed to weld, and everything else looks like absolute trash. But I'll probably end up, I don't know, pressure washing them or something. I still need to get the rear trailing arm bushings, and I guess that would be it. Rear trailing arm bushings, and I might powder coat them. I might just do some regular paint, not really sure. But that's not the biggest worry. It's gonna be under the car anyway. As long as it functions well, that's all I care about, really. As you guys know, I'm not huge on having things look show quality or anything. Speaking of which, I need to clean the back of my truck. But that's all functional now. I just realized that this video is gonna be about 3 minutes long. It's gonna be a super short video. Most of my videos are around 10 or 15 minutes long. I like to keep it between that time frame, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's a pretty short video. I'm actually heading back home right now. Nothing special going on. Tonight is Thursday. Tomorrow, Friday, is the Simply Clean pre-meet hosted in Daytona Beach at the BC headquarters. Well, the BC store in Daytona. So I think I'm going to be able to prep the car in the morning, since I'm not in Simply Clean, obviously. I didn't get accepted, obviously. Most people knew that. I will be going to the pre-meet. I really want to work on the car first, as well as get the trailer situated and whatnot, and be able to drive it down. Well, drive it on the trailer it down. I want to trailer it down, maybe park the trailer a little bit away, and then just drive the car around town or something. I don't want to make the drive all the way from Palm Coast to Daytona without the tag or anything, the situation that it's at right now. So we'll be in Daytona Beach tomorrow afternoon, Friday afternoon, for the Simply Clean pre-meet, and if all goes well there, which I don't see why anything would go wrong, Saturday afternoon we'll be in Bradenton for Cleetus and Cars. So if you're going to be in the area, make sure to stop by over there, say hello for the pre-meet or for Cleetus and Cars. We're going to get there as early as possible on Saturday and, you know, just enjoy the afternoon. But anyways, thank you for watching the video, guys. It was just kind of a time lapse over welding today. It wasn't anything special. Like I said earlier, I'm learning how to weld, so stuff like this I really like recording. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay safe and have a good one. Peace.